Alright guys, so this is my 1990 Mazda Miata. It is very, very, very nasty inside. I bought this car non-running. It was only missing the radiator and a couple other little things. But man, this car works absolutely okay. When I start the video, this car will not be running, and you guys are gonna see all the little things I've been doing to it to get it running. But anyways guys, please subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.
Wave, my inner soul make a village glow. You can see the real through my inner scope. Real grows with a feel cold. Get my spirit to the pen stroke. Young Westbrook and the rim is low. Sweet tang when I fall through. When I hit the queen with the give and go. I've been getting close, I've been finna go. I've been in a mode where my pupils dilated. Take the beat and then annihilate it till the siren faded. Fuck a violation, I've been going places. It's no escaping how I ride my wave and chasing Percy meals with no limitation. Carve a smile with they straight faces. Therapeutic, self-medicated, I've been doing fine for a low life. Seeing clear through the low lights. Straight gas for the stove light. Chasing green, all I know is to go. They semi-pro when it shows right. Third finger to my old life. I can't lose. Count up the blue. Spin nothing, reboot. Put on for the crew. It's a cool. Don't got no roof, so I can shoot for the star beam, yeah.
Heart race, pounding.
So I can shoot for the star beam. So I can shoot. So I can shoot for the star beam, yeah.
Flash, heart race, pounding.
Watch it close here. You might pick up on the pros if I got the tools. Bullshit, I used to live off of the more, so now I get portions. Since 18, been on my loan, so my life been coreless. But then I learned the carpe diem, now that shit looking gorgeous. 2020 with the vision sharp and decent job. Count up the blue, spin nothing, reboot. Put on for the crew. It's a cool, don't got no roof, so I can shoot for the star beam, yeah.
Heart race, pounding.
So I can shoot for the star beam. So I can shoot. So I can shoot for the star beam, yeah.
Flash, heart race, pounding. Get back.
So I can shoot for the star beam. So I can shoot.
Way up for the savage.
So I can shoot.